radio KAC-78. We're in New York, it's London, Ontario. Dense fog advisory in effect until 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect until 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Affected area. This advisory is for the Great Salt Lake, Deserts, Salt Lake and Tooele Valleys, and the Northern Wasatch Front visibilities. The dense fog will result in areas with visibilities ranging from less than 100 transmitted at the request of Utah Davis County Emergency Management. At approximately 5:10 a.m. this morning, dense and rapidly thickening fog settled across much of northern Utah and Davis County, drastically reducing visibility and creating hazardous conditions. Shortly after the fog submergence, multiple reports began flooding and describing humanoid-shaped figures moving silently within the low-lying mist. Witnesses state that these entities cannot be seen clearly in the darkness, with the bodies obscured by the fog, but pairs of glowing red eyes have been observed staring from both sides, roads, and open fields. Their intentions are unknown, but officials are urging this public to treat these reports with extreme caution. Residents are strongly advised to remain indoors, secure all doors and windows, and avoid traveling until further notice. Do not investigate unfamiliar no-season lights outside your home. Local authorities are actively assessing the situation, but conditions remain unstable. Safety is no weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or official government websites for continuing updates and instructions. More information will be provided as it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of Utah Davis County Emergency Management. At approximately 5:10 a.m. this morning,